Good morning, guys. Your homework today is to go and get your painting supply kit. You are looking for the folders that say painting 2 and 3 with the red labels. And you're gonna grab a folder and I'm going to unpack one of these and show you what you get in your kit. You get a stack of images. There's a variety of portraits, there's a still life, there's a blue jay. We'll talk about how we're going to use those and options for those if you happen to have a printer at home. So those are in there. You have a watercolor kit. This is the same paint that we always paint with in class. It is just in a circular tray. The only thing you'll have to find at home is maybe a plastic plate or something to have a little bit more mixing room. And otherwise it's got your full assortment of paint. It does have saran wrap on it. If by chance, like you can see that yellow guy is like loose in there, please don't lose that paint. That's your paint and they're not sticking in there super good. Just make sure that they don't fall out, or if they do fall out, you keep them. What else do we have in the kit? We have a sketchbook. Inside your sketchbook there are 2 paintbrushes. We have a small sheet of black watercolor paper, 2 large sheets of watercolor paper, and a transfer sheet. So you are getting quite a bit of stuff to use for your painting class. So make sure you go ahead and come and grab that kit. Have a good day.